So, parasites are a bit of an issue. These are just some general ways we can control them or prevent the spread of disease by them. So you have insecticide impregnated bed nets. You may have seen these for use in malaria-driven countries. It prevents the insects getting to you and biting you and passing on the parasite. There's also tsetse fly bait, which are like these, sort of like a mini rugby net with a net in between. They confuse the tsetse flies into thinking that it's a shadow and they just sort of fly around it. There's also the sterile insect technique, which is releasing sterile insects, so insects that can't reproduce, into the wild. These reproduce with the ones that are already in the wild, and then the offspring are infertile, so you don't get any more infected vectors. But this only really works in places that are really isolated, such as islands. And there's also gene drives.